Today we are going to study the Foster form, Foster 1 and Foster 2 for RL network. Now removing C with the L, now we are left with R, L parallel to L and R, and this is going to infinity. So this will be our RL form. Now let us write the ZS equation. ZS will be R naught, this will be give you S into L naught, S into L naught, summation of S Ri plus S plus Ri Li. If you do the SL and R, the parallel combination, we are going to get this form. Now if you see why it is R naught, and this will be L infinity naught L 0. Now why it is, now put S is equal to 0 in this function, this function, then all the inductor will be sorted. We are left with only this will be sorted and this will be sorted, and we are left with another resistance Ri, and this is the combination. Now if you see this is being sorted, so we are left with this R, so this is called termed as R naught. Similarly, if you put S is equal to infinity, now we have R and this will be SL. The magnitude of SL, as S is infinity, this will be infinity, and every inductor will be in parallel. It will be like an open circuit in parallel to resistance, So this L infinity is being larger than all the element, because this is open, this is not all the R, so we take that element as L infinity. So we have this form, Z is equal to R naught L S L infinity summation I SRI S plus Ri by Li. Now writing down in separate form, so in constant form, K naught plus K infinity S plus Ki S by S plus sigma. Now if you see, this Z dash resemble to the YRC, so the YS of this RL will be resembling of ZRC. This function will be resembling of JRT. The function is K0 by S K infinity sigma Ki S plus sigma I. Now here, from here what we see this. Now let us take an example, then we will understand the network very easily. Now taking an example, now let us write down an example. S plus 1, S plus 1, S plus 3, S plus 2 and S plus 4. This is the example that we have taken. Now first we need to know that whether it is RL function or not, as the poles are oscillating 1, 2, 3, 4, and compare with the JRC. If I compare with the JRC, it is K naught K infinity S plus KIS plus S plus sigma I. Now what we see, that it is starting from the 0, so it is starting from 0, so from here we consider that this is a ZS function. Now we have seen that this resemble to YRC function. Now for making Foster form 1 S, we need to divide by S, so our equation will be S plus 1, S plus 3, S by S plus 2, S plus 4, and the JRC by S, if I compare, this will be K naught by S plus K infinity summation Ki by S plus sigma I. Now if we want to know what will be our, at S is equal to 0, what will be our K naught, at S is equal to, if I put S is equal to 0, K naught is going to become 0. If I put K, it is not going to come, because at S, now at S we will get, and we need to find the K naught and K, we need to find the residue at S is equal to 0. If I put S is equal to 0, what will be our residue? Put S is equal to 0, it is going to come 3 by 8. So it is going to be 3 by 8 S, and if I want to find K infinity, then for K infinity, if I multiply S square 4S plus 3 by S q. There is a odd power in term. If I put s is equal to infinite, this term is going to be 0. So k infinite will be 0, and the third term, it is going to come as a by s plus 2 plus b by s plus 4. Now this is your partial fraction. Now let me write 3 by 8s, and we got the value of a is equal to 1 by 4 after doing the partial fraction, s plus 2, and b value is nothing but it is 3 by 8 s 3 by 8 s plus 4, and this is the zs by s form. Now zs will be 3 by 8, the s will get cancelled, this s and s will get cancelled, this will be 1 by 4 s plus 2, and this will be 3 by 8 s plus 4. Now making in simpler form, it is 3 by 8. Now what it is going to be, 3 by, it is going to be s by 4s plus 8, and it is going to be s by 3s by this 3 will this 8 will cancel. Now we are left with 8s plus 32. So this is the simplified version of the expression. Now this is your zs form. Now we know that this is a parallel series combination of parallel combination of r and l. So if this is your r and this is your sl, then if I take the parallel combination r naught sl by r plus sl and dividing by rl, we are going to left with 1 by r s by r, and this will be your s term. And if you see, and if I compare with this one, the first term, the 1 by l, this is 1 by l, and this is also your 1 by l, and this is your 1 by r, and this is your 1 by r. Now writing, let us write another sheet of paper. The question form 1, the first term increase, the first term 3 by 8 is your r, because this is resistance 3 by 8, and there will be r and l. If I compare, this is 1 by r, means this is 1 by 4. If you compare with the this one, the s component with r, it is 1 by r, and this will be 1 by 8. Now comparing again, this will be r and l, this will be your 3 by 8, and this is going to be 3 by 32. So this is your Foster 1 form. Now for Foster 2 form, again taking this function zs is equal to, now writing zs is equal to s plus 2, s plus 4, s plus 1, and s plus 3. Now this is your zs. Now let me this is your ys, because we have taken the inversion of 1 by zs. Now if I compare with the k naught by s, k infinity sigma ki s plus sigma I, we don't have at s, there is no pole at s is equal to 0, so the k naught term, it is going to be 0. For k infinity, what we need to do, s square plus 6x plus 8, s square plus 3s plus 3. Now if you divide by s square, limit s tending to infinity, if I divide with 1 plus 6s plus 8 by s square, 1 plus 3 by 8, 3 by s square, this is going to go to 0, and we are left with 1. So our k infinity term will be 1. And another thing we need to do, the partial fraction of a s plus 1 plus b s plus 3. Now if I do the partial fraction 1, the expression we are going to get 3 by 2, the value of a is 3 by 2 s plus 1, and value of b will be half s plus 3. Now making in impedance form, let us divide with 3 by 2, this is become 2 by 3s plus 2 by 3 plus 2s plus 6. Now if I need to draw the this is YRC. Now let me draw the Foster 2 form. the first is admittance, so this will be your 1 only. Now this is a combination of R and L, so this is R and L, and again this will be R and L. Compare with R and L, this is going to be 2 by 3, again this will be also 2 by 3, and this is your 2 and 6. 2 and 6 will be your the value of Foster-2 form. Now how you are going to compare this one? Now this is your series combination. Now if I take, this will be R plus SL. Now anything with S is called L. So here S we have 2, so 2 will be the inductor and 6 will be our resistance. Here also 2 by 3 will be resistance and 2 by 3 will be inductor. So from here we can check it. So this is your Foster-2 form of RL network. This is how we calculate the RL and RL network.